Hi students, how are you? Today we discuss about the application of derivatives part 3 approximations. Here, as we know that the square root of 4 is 2, 9 is 3, 16 is 4, under root 25 is equal to 5, under root 36 is equal to 6, under root 81 is equal to 9. But suppose if we say that under root 4.5, then we say something 2 point some 1, 2, 3, 1, 4 says something. That something is approximations. That something, as you are always doubtful that it is a non-terminating decimal or terminating decimal, but you are slightly doubtful that exact what is the value. And that approximate values are represented by this type of this under root of 4.5. Then we say 2.1213, and we are going up to 10 places also. The values, we are not sure that that's our values are correct. And these are your approximations. And now we find these approximations with the help of differentiation. In the help of this differentiation, we solve the questions related with the approximations. In this question, that using differentials find approximate value of under root 49.5. We know the square root of 49 is 7. But that 49.5 we have to calculate with the help of differentiation. Here we suppose that as we already discussed in the initial stages, y is equal to fx, so y plus delta y is equal to fx plus delta x. And with the help of this, we also write this thing that delta y is equal to fx plus delta x minus y, and that is minus fx. Now I am using this thing to solve the value of under root 49.5. Here for this I am taken let y is equal to x to the power 1 by 2. This x to the power 1 by 2 means we are going to differentiate after some time later. And here this fx is equal to 49 and delta x is equal to 0.5. And fx plus delta x is equal to fx plus delta x is equal to under root 49.5. Now here I'll write this expression that delta y is equal to fx plus delta x is minus fx, and therefore I want to find this delta y, and this delta y is equal to under root of 49.5 minus 49. This is my equation number 1. Now I find the value of delta y. To find the value of delta y, I will write here delta y is equal to dy by dx into delta x. What is the value of y? Y is equal to x to the power 1 by 2. So I will write here d by dx, x to the power 1 by 2, and the value of delta x is equal to 0.5. As we know, the differentiation of d upon dx, x to the power 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 and 0.5. This x to the power 1 by 2, we will write here that 1 by 2 under root of x 0.5. What is the value of under root x? That we will write here 1 by 2, and that is equal to 49, and is under root x and 0.5. So 0.5 upon 2 into 7. So 0.5 upon 14. This 0.5 upon 14 is written as 140, and this 140 is here. This delta y, we will find the value of dy by dx into delta x. Differentiation of x to the power 1 by 2, we find the values, and this is 0.5 upon 14, and this 5 upon 140 is equal to 0.035. I just substitute this value of delta y here. So this is equal to 7.035 is equal to under root of 49.5 minus 7. This 7 is transferred and it becomes 7 plus 0.035. So 7.035 is equal to 49.5. That's your required answer. Here in the second question, use the differentials to find the approximate value of 25 to the power 1 by 3. Last time our power is x to the power 1 by 2, but here it is x to the power 1 by 3. We know that the cubic root of 27 is 3. And here 25, the cubic root is in a whole number, is not possible. And nearest cubic root of 25 is 27. That's why I am select this fx is equal to 27. And naturally, this 27 number is greater than 25. And therefore, we will write here 27 minus this 2 is equal to 25. And therefore, we just write this delta x, means very small quantity, that is equal to minus 2. Now, I have again taken here y is equal to x to the power 1 by 3. Why I am taken x to the power 1 by 3, and in the previous question y is equal to x to the power 1 by 2. Here y is equal to x to the power 1 by 3. This 1 by 3 is also we are taken because to this 25 to the power 1 by 3 in the question, and therefore I just differentiate this d upon dx x to the power 3 is 1 by 3 x to the power 2 by 3 multiplied with delta x is minus 2. What is the value of x? X is value we have taken, that is equal to 27. So 3 into 27 to the power 2 by 3, and therefore it gets the value of minus 0.074 after this calculation. So after that, this delta y is we have to taken that minus 0.074 is equal to 25 to the power 1 by 3, and his 27 to the power 3 is minus 3, and this 25 to the power 1 by 3 2.926 is equal to 25 to the power 1 by 3. Here, find the approximate value of f3.02, where fx is equal to 3x plus 5x plus 3. Here I am taken, I just the value of f3.02, what I have to find. This x is equal to 3 and delta x is 0.02. So y is equal to fx is equal to 3x squared plus 5x plus 3. I just want to find the value of delta y, and this delta y is equal to, we differentiate the fx value, and that is equal to 6x plus 5, because d by dx 3x squared plus 5x plus 3. A simple differentiation because all the sum, so therefore we separately get 3 d by dx x squared plus 5 d upon dx into x plus d upon dx into 3 and get the value of 6x plus 5. But what is the value of delta x? Delta x is equal to 0.02, and as we already know that delta y is equal to dy by dx into delta x. This dy by dx is equal to 23, and this delta x is multiplied with 0.02, so it is 0.46. fx is equal to 3x squared plus 5x plus 3. And now just put x is equal to 3 and find the value of f3. After this 45 value, just substituting the value and calculate. This f3.02, what I want to find, this f3.02 is equal to f3 plus 0.1, f3 plus delta y, and this delta y value is 0.46. So this f3 value is 45 and plus 0.46 is 45.46 is the required answer.